In front of me is Motorola RAZR 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to launch clock and hit alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then to add a new one, use this plus icon. Set up an hour first, and then choose OK to create your new alarm. Now adjust its settings however you wish to. At the top add label, and hit OK to save it. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. To switch it on or off, use this switcher next to it. And to make some exceptions from your days of the week, click on this plus next to pause alarm. Pick your dates and choose OK. To remove them, use remove button right next to them. Now tap on this little bell icon here to pick sound of your alarm. You can hit YouTube Music, log in and use music from it. Select sounds to tap on add new and pick any song from your smartphone, or select one of those melodies. Go back and click on this icon next to vibrate to switch it off or on. You can also tap on this plus next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it. To hide those settings, click at the top right corner of your alarm. To delete it though, click at the top right corner, and then bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!